Hi there, Kyle Bullock here at Bullock's Jewelry. I am hoping that wherever you're watching this, that you are healthy and well and making the most of this crazy time in our history. Today I want to talk about a question that I've been getting a lot lately, which is Bullock's Jewelry still open, and what can we do to support your local business? And so I want to answer that now. A lot of our customers believe that jewelry and our business is an essential service. We are not essential. We like to think we are, but we are not. And our governor here in the state of New Mexico has asked that all non-essential businesses close their doors to the public to prevent the spread of COVID-19. And so we are going to be part of the solution and not the problem, and we have done just that. What that means is our staff cannot come in to the office building, and we cannot have customers come into our office building. We are closed to the outside public. It does mean, though, that I can come in here and still conduct some business, and yes, you can support us during this time, and in fact, I would ask you to please help us and support us. Here's a few ways that you can do that. One way you can do that is simply by texting us. I'll put the number here at the bottom of the screen. You can send us questions, pictures. If you have anything that you would like us to address, you can do that there, and myself or one of my team members from their homes will contact you. We actually have been doing this kind of business since long before COVID-19 because it's a really convenient way to reach you wherever you are. If you're really busy or you're just not able to come in, we can come to you virtually through text messaging or through video chat messaging, and so now is a really great time to do that. Here's another way that you can help us out. You can go to bullocksjewelry.com and see most of our in-store or in-stock merchandise online and live. It has pricing, it has information, and if you want to see a product closely, all you got to do is, again, text us and say, hey, I would like to see more information about this product, and we can help you in real time. Or if you find an item that you like online, you can buy it directly from our website. Right now, during the COVID-19 outbreak, we are offering free shipping on orders over $100. And that means that we ship it to you insured, that it's signed for, and it's protected from start to finish. Because we want to make sure that your precious items get back to you safe and sound. So you can go to bullocksjewelry.com, see a live feed basically of our inventory. If you have questions or you want to see something like loose diamonds or have other questions about a product or custom products, you can text us directly from our website. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a link that says, hey, can I help you? And you can text us directly from our website. Here is another way that you can help us out. You can actually now buy a gift card directly from our website. You can go to bullocksjewelry.com, and one of the very first items that you're going to see on our website is a gift card. Now, we have them in the increments anywhere from $50 all the way up to $1,000. And when you buy that gift card, we will save that information in the computer system so that even if you lose your gift card, you will not lose the value. In fact, the next time you come in, we'll automatically have that information that you bought the gift card, it's in the system, and you can use it towards your next purchase. Maybe you have a purchase later this year that you want to make. You want to buy jewelry later in the year. Maybe you have a repair or something that you need to have worked on in the coming weeks. When we reopen, you can buy that gift card now and use it then, and that helps us out greatly. It provides us the opportunity to have money coming in so that we can make sure our staff is taken care of, and for you, it means that you can have the purchase already done and later just come in, pick up the item that you want, or drop off the repair and know that it's already been taken care of. Again, we save that information in the computer under your name or whoever you're giving it to so that whenever you come in, you're guaranteed to use that on the next visit, and it's already taken care of for you. We make it as easy as possible. So all you got to do is go to bullocksjewelry.com. You can purchase a gift card directly from our website, and with PayPal, very securely purchase that item, and we'll save it here in our system, and you can use it whenever you want in the near future, and that helps us out a lot. So those are three ways that you can help us. Again, you can text us your questions or set up an appointment for virtual help with an expert. You can shop online at bullocksjewelry.com and see our inventory in real time, or you can go onto our website and buy a gift card anywhere from $50 all the way up to $1,000. Give it to a friend. Maybe it's a really great way to give them a little pick-me-up that they need in a tough time, or save it for yourself. You can, again, use it later in the future. It just helps us out in the here and now, make sure that we take care of our people, because I want to make sure that our staff and our people here are taken care of during this crazy time. I am blessed to be in a business that's been around for over 90 years, and we want to be here for many more years to come, committed to serving you and your loved ones. So thank you for your support, and I look forward to seeing you digitally, at least in the short term. Be safe out there.